Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Monday morning weekly analysis. Today we're going to dive into the gold assets once again. So we're going to look at gold once again. All right. Good. So let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Gold, like I said earlier on last week. Last week, I actually made a little error in the analysis, which I came back to correct somewhere here. That gold should continue to go the upside. So I made the corrections or the adjustments to these analysis, and price actually went up as predicted. Now price have moved possibly an ABC manner and not a 5-wave. So I was expecting a 5-wave like this, with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then with 5. But gold did not move in that kind of way. Gold did not move in that kind of way. But gold have actually moved in a 3-wave pattern, which is like this, with 1, with 2, with 3. So this cycle is completed, and now gold is doing A, B, C, possibly. Then we would get the continuation to this upside. So that's what we are waiting for currently. So currently I'm waiting for gold to make the move all the way into this big box. That is where I want price to go, into this big box. Okay, so price should come here. That is 2063, 2075 levels. If today is your first time, don't forget to like, comment, and share with all your friends. Tell somebody about MolarGold. All right, let's continue. So we're actually looking for gold to move all the way to that side. That's where I'm looking for. I'm looking for gold to move all the way. Nanayao says, always a pleasure to learn from you, Doc. You're welcome, sir. So we're expecting gold to continue the up move. We are not done yet. If anybody tells you to sell gold, it's a lie. It can be a short-term sell, right? A very short-term one. Let me delete this one. A very short-term sell, okay, but the overall trend is still the same. Nothing happens to it. It's still going inside this box. This is where we're going. So if somebody asks you to sell gold probably at this level, if we get here, right, that can work like this. Then you get an A, you get a B, and then you get a C, and price would continue back up. This can work. Sometimes we may get how do you call it, a double correction or a triple correction kind of stuff. It's all fine. Okay, so if we get a correction, probably a correction like this one, there's another correction we had. Oh, sorry, I got it wrong. So this is the correction we had. This is the correction. So you can see we had an A, B, and C in there, and price continued. this same correction can happen somewhere here, A, B, and C, like that, and price would continue back up. Okay, we can have many of them like that, and if that happens, that's our target, and it's likely to happen. Okay, so price will do that. Okay, so don't worry about that. Then this becomes our bigger degree with A or with W. Okay, let me use a W. So this will be a W, this will be an X, and that will be a Y. And then cycle is done. Then we can think of sales. But for now, we are not thinking about any sell. The only thing we are thinking about is buy. For now, we are not thinking about sell. The only thing we are thinking about is a buy. Let me show you from the higher time frames. So let me show you from the higher time frames. Then you would follow me perfectly. Okay. So what am I expecting? The last time I think I drew this. Alright, so this one should connect right here like this. And this one should connect right there. Oh. And this one should connect right there like that. Okay. So if that is the case, then we are correct. Price should continue into this big box, but we have to find an area, and even you can see a strong level of resistance right here. So we have to find an area which is here before we do the continuation. All right, so price then would move slowly into this box. That gives us a pattern in between here like this. This pattern in between here like this. All right, so we'll get something like this. All right, we'll get something like this. Very interesting stuff. Very, very interesting. Price should then go all the way into this big box. Then we'll drop so that we have A, B, and C like this. And that will be exactly what we are looking for. A, B, and C like that. Okay. I think something has happened. Alright, so like this, let me delete this one. So like this. Then when we get here, we will then go on a full sell market. When we get into this one, we'll then go into a full sell market. Alright, that will also give us another structure, which we'll be looking at later. We'll be looking at the structure later. But for now, this is where we have to focus. Da Costa says good morning. Da Costa, good morning. Rashid says good morning. And then James also says good morning. James, all of you, you are welcome. Guys, if it's your first time, don't forget all the actions happens on MolarGold Telegram channel. Okay? So you can join the MolarGold Telegram channel, and then you see all the actions. Alright, all the actions happen there. MolarGold Telegram channel. That is where all the actions happens. Okay? So don't forget to go to MolarGold, and then you see all the actions for yourself. If today your first time, please don't forget, like, share, leave a comment, and also tell somebody about MolarGold. Alright, let's continue. So if that is the case, we'll be looking into this big area. That's where we'll be looking at. But before we get to that big area, price have done something. Okay, let's go back to the smaller time frame. Price have done something. And what is that? Price made this move. Price made this move. This very one. In fact, let me delete this thing. Oh, let me delete this thing. Yeah. Good. Okay. Okay. What is happening right now? Also, I'll explain what is happening right now. Okay. But we're looking for gold to make an up move. We're looking for gold to make an up move in 5 wave. Gold out did a 3 wave. So now that we have a 3 wave, we should have another 3. That is what I said earlier. So we can have another 3. And then once we are done with that 3, price can continue to the upside. Right? Because we did not get a 5 wave, we had a 3. So it should follow by a 3 and then a 5. 3, 3, 5. Okay? So that's what we are looking at. Now price, but we are interested, we'll be interested much more in the buys this very week. Okay. All right. So currently, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing buys all over. Gold doing a lot of buys. Okay. Good. I was expecting price to move a little bit to somewhere here before these things start to happen. But now it looks like it is happening. So let me show you what's likely. This one, then this made a 1, 2, 3 like this. So we should expect equal length. So that's this. And then we get something like this. We get something like that. Then price would rally back up. Okay. Price will rally back up. Selam says, "Good morning, Doc. I watch you live from my village." Selam, greet all the village members for me. All right, all right, all right, all right. So, guys, that is what we are expecting on gold. We should expect this correction to happen. I'm expecting it to happen somewhere here. So the corrections would happen before the up will continue. All right. But if it drops, for now, nothing is clear. I always tell you when the chart is not clear, don't rush it. Okay. Don't rush it. Don't rush at all. All right. The chart will always get clearer as price moves. So as price moves, the chart would get clearer. So if it is not clear, don't rush to lose your money. Okay? Just take it slow. Don't rush to lose your money. All right. So once it is clear, you would see. If market is clear, you would see it, and then you can make a lot of money from it, in a very very short time. All right. So don't rush anything. If nothing is correct or nothing is clear, leave it. All right. That is what Warren said. He says the forex market is a place where money is being transferred from the impatient to the patient ones. So be the patient one. That is why we use snipers and machine guns. Machine gunners would smash all their bullets everywhere, but snipers take their time to pull the trigger. And when they pull the trigger, they always kill their prey. Right? Alright, guys. So if that is it for today, if it is your first time joining me here, please don't forget like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and also don't forget to join the MolarGold Telegram channel. That is where all the actions happens each and every single time. Until then, we meet again.